How to verify your eToro account. If you want to verify your eToro account, it is quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all launch the eToro app. If your account is not verified, tap on the three lines option on the top left corner. Then from there you will be taken to the next page where you can see it says complete your profile. So you can tap on the continue button here. You'll see a couple of options. You have to enter all these address details based on your legal details and your country, your national insurance number, city, postal code, and so on. After that, you want to type in your experience in equities and cryptocurrencies. You also want to answer all of these questions, right? Because it will ask you a couple of questions. I'm just skipping all of this for now. I'm pretty sure you can basically mark this yourself, so you can go ahead and finish out all these questionnaires. And once you've done that, it will ask you for a couple of trading strategy, any of the following applies to you, and so on. Now after you've done this, basically what you have to do is it will ask you for a payment verification, or more like a phone number and card verification. So you go to this country code option, and here it'll ask you to send an SMS. Once done, you have to make sure to have your passport or ID card ready with you, colored photo, full name, date of birth, valid expiration date, and official document number. You can just tap on the upload button, select the front side and the back side of the document and upload them. And once done, you can also put your tax identification number. Then you can see our verification will be pending. Now you have to allow up to 3 business days and your account will be successfully verified, as long as you have followed the instructions correctly. And this way you'll be able to verify your eToro account. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.